Welcome to week 7, everyone. For math, we are going to be working with percentages this week. And we're going to be taking what you learned a couple weeks ago about multiplying decimals and also with equivalent fractions and apply those concepts so we can figure out percentages of certain numbers. So for the very first assignment, we're going to have you do a MobyMax assignment. It'll be titled percentages. So in the first assignment, the link to MobyMax is right there. It's 9 problems. And then once you're done with those 9 problems, what we want you to do is come back to this page and complete this table. So we want you to write the fraction form, the decimal form, and the percent form of each of these values. The first one is done for you. If you have a little extra time and you want to practice your conversions, this is a great matching game. This is not required for the assignment. It's just if you have a little extra time and you want to have some practice. Then for Tuesday, there's a couple things we need you to do. We go into the second assignment here. There's an 8-minute video that we want you to watch. And while you're watching it, please take a few notes here, fill in the blank. Because what we're going to do is show you 2 different methods for how to calculate the percent of a given number. And in the video, I actually go over how to do number 1, 20% of 50. And so for each one of these problems, there's 3 things that we want you to do. We want you to write a fraction number sentence, and I show you how to do that in the video. And then we want you to write a decimal number sentence, and then we want you to actually write what the answer would be. So in this case, 20% of 50 is, and then whatever your answer is there. Like I said, I go over it in the video, so make sure you pay attention to that so then you can get number 1 done, and then you can use the same strategy to finish the other 7 problems. On Wednesday, we're going to have you do some practice with tips and discounts because that's where we use percentages quite a bit in the real world. So we go down to number 3. There are 2 examples that we give you here. One is for how to calculate a tip. So let's say you go to a restaurant and you want to tip your waiter 20%. Or discount, so if you go to the store and something is on sale, what would the sale price be? Please use these as your models for the other problems because this is exactly how we want you to set it up. There's 3 steps that are included for each problem. Step number 1, we want you to write it out in a sentence. So in this particular example, it would be 20% of $50. And then in step 2, we want you to use fractions, just like you would have done in the previous assignment from the day before. And then we also want you to write it in decimal form. And then last but not least, we want you to write the full number sentence using the cost of whatever it was that you had to begin with, plus the tip that you calculated, or if in the event that it's a discount, you would subtract it because you're taking it away from the original price. And then now you know what the new price would be, whether it's a bill or a sale price, whatever it might be. So do those 3 steps and you can complete them here, filling in the blank here. If you just click on it, a text box should pop up and you can start typing. Last but not least, we have a quiz on tips and discounts. This quiz will be available to you in the next couple days. And it's basically just taking everything that you would have done from this assignment and this assignment. And don't forget, you can use your notes when you take this quiz or any other, go back to the problems that you did if you need a reference. We definitely want you to use your resources. Finally, on Friday, don't forget, we set that aside so then you can have time to go back and review all of your work. We will have everything that you've done graded by then. So please go back, make the corrections that you need to make if there are any, and then let us know so then we can update your grade. Let us know if you have any questions.